check for the life cycle of the automotive plastic geometry. Okay, so whatever will be the from start to sketch, what going to be happen with that particular part that we're going to be check. Okay, so let's take an example first with like whenever we're going to be launch a new vehicle, like so similar to that we need to do some stuff. So the process will be same when we are going to be select any gadget or the mobile. You can find, we will take the example over here. If you want to buy any mobile, you will start with selection process. Okay, so there is a fixed selection process we have in our mind, if not even the in mind, we need to follow by default. Okay, so here we can check like we need to buy a smartphone. With respect to that, first we need to check what is the first thing we need to check is something like we need to go for check with the end user, whoever will be the end user that we're going to be check, and with respect to that we select the specification. Then definitely the quite obvious next will be the requirement we will list down. Okay, so whatever the requirement we required in case of like 8 GB RAM, 12 GB RAM, whatever we have, 16 GB RAM, then display size, overall function that we're going to be check, then features. Okay, and with respect to that we directly not go and buy the mobile. Okay, so this what we're going to be have, we are not directly go and buy the mobile. Over here you can find whatever we need to check is a comparison. Okay, so we'll compare the different model, different band or on and with respect to the same specification, same cost over there, and we'll check like which going to be the compatible for us, and what we shortlist some of them. Okay, so with respect to shortlist we can even not directly go and buy, we definitely check the review feedback over there, whatever we going to be have in that particular segment part. Okay, and with respect to that, okay, with respect to that you can find whatever we going to be have, we need to check, we select the mobile, we need to buy the mobile offline online. Okay, so this is the same process we need to follow, in automotive plastic geometry. And with respect to this reason here you can find, so we need to check the concept selection. Okay, so we will select over here the concept, so that is nothing but the requirement we need to check. And with respect to that we go for the benchmarking is nothing but whatever we're going to be get the collect the data from the existing vehicles. Okay, so here you can find we need to study the existing vehicle, existing parts, component, and that we can use to that information to implement in our part. Okay, then we're going to be at the master section is nothing but it create to check the feasibility with respect to the surrounding part. Even we're going to be adopt anything from the benchmarking that we need to add over here, and we create some master section over there. Okay, with respect to that it will get help us to improve our part concept. Then we'll check for the style feasibility. So this is nothing but the input we're going to be same, like input we received into the automotive plastic geometry, and with respect to that we need to go for that. So here as well as you can check like whatever we're going to be have the part we need to do for the packaging, that is nothing but the, with respect to surrounding part we need to check each and everything. Okay, here all the part we need to check. Then we have the material selection process. Okay, with respect to here you can check like how we're going to be check, like select the material on the thermal, physical as well as the chemical properties, what are we going to be have for that particular part. Then we'll check for 3D creation from class A to class B, close volume, then fixation strategy. Here you can find the boss, reef, snap, locator, and different kind of fixation we're going to be add with respect to 3-to-1 principle to make sure our part will be get assembled onto the vehicle. Okay, so this is something like we need to check over here, as well as we need to apply the GD&T. Okay, so GD&T we need to apply over here onto the part feature which going to be used over there. And with respect to that, whatever we're going to be have this case. Okay, so you can check like whatever the GD&T we are applying onto the part, that need to make sure it will be manufacture the part easily with respect to allowable permissible tolerance we are giving as a surface tolerance, profile tolerance kind of thing. Okay, and with respect to that you can check like whatever we're going to be get, this is a GD&T release for the manufacturing. Then we're going to be have manufacturability. So whatever we're going to be have the manufacturing part component, so that feasibility we need to check with respect to that, whatever we're going to be have the input. So we need to make sure it will be the output we need to carry. Okay, and this is nothing but like however our design is very good, but is not manufacturable, what we're going to be say is no use. So definitely we need to check like our input to output, we need to follow some key functions feature over here. So these are something like we need to check like life cycle of the plastic component, we need to develop step by step. Like we have a baby, like we are starting with holding hand and then crawling, and everything will be go on increasing day by day. So similar kind like part will be get mature from scratch to the developed component to finished component to release to the customer or supplier. So how it going to be get manufactured? Okay, so automotive plastic momentum, we can find this is nothing but the raw material is going to be used, okay, in small particles over there, and with respect to that, they're going to be add here into the hopper. Okay, so here you can check, like with respect to the hopper, we're going to be add, and then it's moved to the core and cavity. We're going to be have somewhere here in the vacuum. It's created with the core and cavity is known as a mold, and the molten plastic is done with this particular heating coil over here. Okay, this heating coil will be get this molten plastic will be put over here into the vacuum, and once gets solidified, it will get apart. Okay, so 90% of the automotive industrial plastic component will be manufactured with this injection molding over there. Okay, so what is the scope of the automotive plastic? You can find nearby your metro cities, you have these companies. Okay, so there will be Tata Technology, TCS, Tech Mahindra, Plastic Omnium, Plus, CDIDA, Satyam kind of thing, as well as we're going to be have the OEMs. So this is the domestic OEM we're going to be as well as a multinational company. So it's going to be work like this company, if they have the design center on their own, they're going to be designed with them. Okay, even they don't get the full design work done by them, so they require the help of this above listed company, is nothing but the service based company. Okay, so this is how the more or less in India we're going to be run this program projects. You can might have heard this particular company projects are running, but definitely we can find not this. We have the many OEMs coming from the overseas. We have the program running into the India.